yeah. Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out today. We are unboxing the FTX Tracer. This little 1/16 scale truck looks absolutely fantastic. I just had to get it as soon as I saw that it was available. I bought two of these, one for me, one for my son. You can basically stick this in your backpack and take it on holiday with you if you want. Run it around on the beach, run it around on the campsite, you name it. Anyway, guys, let's get this little puppy unboxed. But first and foremost, let's see what's on the box. So you got fully proportional throttle and steering, 390 brush motor with heatsink, micro 7.4 volt Leon battery, plug-in front LED lights, they come included as well, front and rear gear diff, coil sprung shock absorbers, double wishbone suspension, low friction ball bearings. It's 99% ready to run. You just need to add 2 batteries to the remote, 2.4 radio system and a USB charger as well. There is everything in this box minus the 2 batteries for the remote to get you going. It's splash proof. What else can I say about it, guys? It's also got Traxxas Summit looking wheels, tyres. That's the same tread from the Traxxas Summit. Let's get this thing unopened. Right, let's just pop a couple of these seals. There's one on the side there, and one on the bottom. Ooh, I love unboxing models, guys. Wait, here we go. Put your finger in there and pull this out. Oh, there it is. A little mini beastie. That looks absolutely fantastic. I just want to get this thing straight out the box. I'll undo all this wrapping and then show you what we've got. Right, then all you need to do is rip off that tape all the way around and the box will lean forward like so. So we've got a 2.4 radio system. Let's just have a quick look at that. Nice standard little radio. You've got that actually controls the throttle range. And this one is your steering trim. It's not throttle trim, just throttle range. So if you turn it right down, the model will move slow. If you turn it right up, it'll obviously go as fast as its top end. What else have we got in here? We have got a little baggie. This contains your optional LED light system, but who wouldn't want to connect that up, right? A couple of zip ties for that. Some body clips. Oh, some extra body clips. We've got 4 on the model already. 4 spare body clips, nice. And a USB charger. Let's unclip this model and have a look what we've got there. Here's 1, 2. Turn it round. Whoa, me likey. Wow. Oh, not to mention, sorry, instruction manual and some stickers. You're going to want to put these on as well because I think, do they need cutting out? No, they don't need cutting out. They're already cut out for you, nice. You're going to drop these on your model, the front grille, rear lights, and some tracer names. Oh, look at that. I like it. It's very Traxxas-y, may I say. I like it a lot. Let's move some of this stuff out the way and get this on the bench. And here we go. Wow. I really like it. Like, it reminds me of the sort of mini sort of Revo. I've had mini Revos in the past. It's very much like that. It's the nice size. It feels chunky, feels compact, feels tough. Tyres, nice and grippy. They ain't going to wear out on the concrete. I wouldn't really rate this car so much for big jumps off gutters, off pavements and things like that. Maybe a tiny little jump in your garden. This is more like whipping around your local park on local paths and things like that, I think. You're going to damage it if you send it, basically. But it's an absolute beast. Look at the underneath. Like I say, very Traxxas-esque. Even the bumpers behind have got the sort of oval Traxxas bumper looking. Let's pop these body clips off. So a nice little body on there. You got to peel the cellophane off that as well. Before you put your stickers on, guys, don't do that. Don't put your stickers on top of the cellophane. Underneath then, what we have got is a combined receiver and speed control. This is water splash proof, not waterproof. So you'll be able to take it out in the rain or on a wet floor. You'll be alright, but don't take it through any big puddles. 390 size motor. A little warning there about not touching it because it's going to get hot. We'll take that off. It probably will get hot, guys. I like this as well. You got a nice little switch button on the side, so when the body shell's on, you can still just press that to turn it on. I think that's a 1 kilogram micro servo there with servo saver on the front as well, so that's nice to know if you belt any gutters or any posts or poles in the park, you're still going to be alright there. Plastics seem nice and flexible as well. You've got a nice little strap down Leon battery there, which is nice. I like the strap. That's going to enable you to put something slightly different size wise in there. Probably put a little lipo in there if I'm being honest. Get a bit more time out of that battery. But that's nice, just strap that down like so. So this thing as well is 4-wheel drive, so you've got a little steel drive shaft going through the centre there, to a differential in the front and a differential at the back that feel quite nice, to be honest. You have got front CVDs for drive shafts. They are plastic, but they are flexible as well. I think if you're going to go LiPo, you're going to want the little metal upgrade drive shafts for this without a doubt. But if you're staying with the battery that it comes with, I think you'll be absolutely fine. Same at the back as well, plastic drive shafts. All the plastic's nice and flexible. Look, you can push it and it don't snap. That's a nice little feature. I do like flexible plastics on these. FTX have done a nice little job here. And my favourite, of course, guys, we got Dean's connector straight on there. Let's connect this thing up. Like so. Turn the remote on. 2 batteries in the bottom of the remote. AA batteries. Always the remote on first, guys. Press the button on the side. And there we go. It is ready. Ooh, steering's quite fast, to be honest. And it moves all the way under the weight of the car. That's nice. Let's give it a little bit of throttle. Not bad. It's got quite a nice little range on for a cheap model. You can also turn that up with this here. So if you turn it right down, that's going to turn your throttle range down. That's as fast as it goes on full throttle. Turn it right up. Hey, I would estimate about 20 kilometers, 20 mile an hour maybe on this, as it is stock standard. The shocks are just aluminium. They've got some aluminium metal on there. Are they adjustable? They are adjustable. That's nice. You can adjust the preload on there, but they aren't oil filled, guys. These are just friction shocks. So we're just popping this front wheel off to have a look at the bearings behind and check them out. It is actually screws, guys, to hold the wheels on. I'm not a big fan of that, if I'm being brutally honest. So you don't want to over tighten these screws up and take the threads off. And I really wouldn't recommend going brushless with it, because you're just going to tear these apart unless you upgrade them. Underneath then, like I say, you got a little hex in the wheel there. That does come out of the wheel, but it goes over the little splines. So if you overpower it, like I say, it's just going to tear it all apart. But we have got little ball race bearings in there, which is nice. Tidy. Right then, what I'm going to do is wire these lights up. I want lights on my cars straight away, especially when they're supplied. Do a little video of how to do that. Let's get them on. Right then, so what you have got is a little hole in the top of the shock tower there. These are square LEDs as well. So what you want to do is thread each one through that little hole. This might get a little awkward because it is tight. Second LED going through now. No problem, that's fine. And then you want to slot them in to these little slots at the side. Again, these do need quite a push to get in there, but the bumpers are flexible, luckily, so you can flex the bumper up a little bit to get these pushed in. There you go, we are in. So we got them 2 in. Then what you're going to use is you get a little sticky pad in the kit as well. Peel one side off, and on the flat side of this little circuit junction board, place it down. Place that down on top of the chassis like so. Give it a little push. Push this little connector through. It is fiddly because it's small. And then you've got a little connection block on top there. You know, when I drop this into there. Oh, that is awkward. You need tiny, tiny fingers. There you go, that is in. What we will do now is just give him a little test. So turn the car on again. Oh! Look at that. They're flashing. Why are they flashing? Oh. Ooh, the flash when your remote's on. When your remote's off. That's tidy. Turn you left your car on, so you turn your remote on, and they stop flashing. Wow. And they're bright as well, guys. These should light up any room or path in the dark. Fantastic. Big fan of LEDs. They do come with zip ties as well. I'm not sure I'm going to bother zip tying mine down, to be honest. I'm fine. I'll keep the zip ties for something else. Yeah, what we'll do then, guys, we'll get this battery all charged up, and my lads, because he's got exactly the same in orange. I'll get these things all charged up, and we'll take them to the park for a razz round and see what they're capable of. But overall, I like this. This can, like I say, chuck it in your bag, take your RD, or even if you're taking your main RC out with you, and you happen to break your main RC, this could be in your bag as a backup, so you didn't a wasted day or journey. Absolutely love it. And like I say, it is upgradable. You can purchase upgrades as well. They are on the box. Let's just turn that around and show you. So it looks like you can get metal diffs. You can get metal drive shafts and oil-filled shocks. I suppose if you put these on, these drive shafts, and it changes the way the output on the wheels to a hex and an actual screw on the end, which it looks like it does. They look threaded to me. If you do that, I think you'd get away with going brushless and lipo powered then. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to see this thing in action. See you on the next one. Little bonus then, guys. So there is the body shell with the film off and some stickers on. I did notice as well, nice little touch, is the smoked windows on this as well. You can still see in, which is brilliant. There you go. On the car. That looks absolutely fantastic. There's the thumbnail right there, like that. Oh yeah. See you on the next one.